Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Dinar Aurelia Jasmine, nomor absen 11 dari kelas 10 MIPA 3. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi tenses. Materi tenses yang akan kita bahas ialah simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense. Simple present tense ialah kalimat tense yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan fakta, kebiasaan, atau kejadian yang terjadi pada saat ini. Time signal, always, usually, sometimes, seldom, often, every day, every week. Rumusnya, positif, subject plus verb 1 or verb s plus object. Negatif, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogatif, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, positive, she goes to office every day. Negative, she does not go to office every day. Interrogative, does she go to office every day? Catatannya, untuk subjek he, she, it menggunakan does dan verb s, untuk subjek I, you, we, they menggunakan do dan verb 1. Simple past tense ialah kalimat tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau dan telah berakhir di masa lampau. Time signal, last night, last month, yesterday, 2 days ago. Rumusnya, subject, verb to, plus object. Negatif, subject plus did plus not, plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogatif, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, positive, she bought Ferrari yesterday. Negative, she did not buy Ferrari yesterday. Interrogative, did she buy Ferrari yesterday? Present continuous tense ialah kalimat tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau kejadian yang sedang berlangsung. Bisa sekarang, hari ini, atau sekitar sekarang. Time signal, this morning, now, today, this moment. Rumusnya, positif. Subject plus be, am is are, plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Negatif. Subject plus be, am is are plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogatif. Is am are plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Example, positif. Devi is studying English today. Negatif, Devi is not studying English today. Interrogatif, is Devi studying English today? Catatannya, untuk subjek he, she, it menggunakan is, untuk subjek they, you, we menggunakan are, dan untuk subjek I menggunakan am. Past continuous tense ialah kalimat tense yang digunakan untuk menanyakan aktivitas atau kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung di masa lampau. Time signal, yesterday, last night. Rumusnya, positif. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Negatif, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogatif, was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example, positive, we were cleaning the room last day. Negative, we were not cleaning the room last day. Interrogative, were we cleaning the room last day? Catatannya, untuk subjek I, she, he, it menggunakan was, dan untuk subjek you, we, they menggunakan were. Present perfect tense ialah kalimat tense yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang dimulai di waktu lampau dan masih berlanjut hingga sekarang, dan untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau aktivitas yang baru saja terjadi. Time signal, not yet, ever, never, already, still, just. Rumusnya positif. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. Negatif, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative, has or have plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Example, positive, they have seen the movie. Negative, they have not seen the movie. Interrogative, have they seen the movie? Catatannya, untuk subjek he, she, it menggunakan has, dan untuk subjek I, you, we, they menggunakan have. Past perfect tense ialah kalimat tense yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau kejadian yang berlangsung sebelum peristiwa lampau terjadi. Time signal, before, after, until, just, as soon as. Rumusnya positif. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Negatif, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Example, positive, she had taken a bath in my bedroom. Negative, she had not taken a bath in my bedroom. Interrogative, had she taken a bath in my bedroom? Future tense atau simple future tense ialah kalimat tense yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau kejadian yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Time signal, next week, next year, tonight, the day after tomorrow, tomorrow. Rumusnya ada dua, yaitu rumus pertama, positif, subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object. Negatif, subject plus shall or will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative, shall or will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Rumus yang kedua, positif, subject plus is are plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Negatif, subject plus is are plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative, is are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example, contoh rumus pertama. Positif, she shall go to Lombok next week. Negatif, she shall not go to Lombok next week. Interrogative, shall she go to Lombok next week? Contoh rumus yang kedua. Positif, Dini is going to finish her homework tonight. Negatif, Dini is not going to finish her homework tonight. Interrogative, is Dini going to finish her homework tonight? Sekian dari saya, bila ada kesalahan, mohon maaf.